Hello dear fans. How to write a scientific article on any topic. Writing a scientific work is often an overwhelming task, but in reality it is easier than it seems. Instructions. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is write an outline for your upcoming article. All such works have a similar structure. The first step is the introduction, which briefly introduces the reader to the course of the chosen topic. Next is the main part, which directly reveals the essence of the issue. Finally, conclusions and suggestions summarize the work you have done. For greater clarity, it is better to write the plan on a piece of paper, rather than on a computer, since it will be much more convenient for you to check the plan without switching between open documents on a PC. Step 2. Let's dwell on the main part of the article. It is important to remember that it must also have an absolutely clear and delimited structure, all links of which must be logically interconnected. First of all, one should dwell on the relevance of the chosen topic, justify the need for this study in the modern world. Second, tell us in detail about the subject and object of your research. Describe the techniques that you used in carrying out this scientific work. Next, proceed directly to the topic of the article. Start with a general introduction to the subject, gradually narrowing your thought down to a narrowly chosen niche, the very specific topic of your research. It is important to ensure that one thesis flows from the other. For example, if the topic you have chosen is the specifics of evaluating products in agriculture, you should start with the specificity of agriculture, about the riskiness of farming in your region, gradually moving to the fact that each of these factors should be taken into account in the cost of the product. Step 3. Set up several arguments against your point of view and challenge them. It is very important to be able to see alternative approaches to solving the problem and choose the best one, which, of course, you are talking about. If you find it difficult to find such arguments on your own, contact your supervisor, students, teachers you trust. Step 4. In conclusion, you need to reflect the results of your work as fully as possible. For example, it might be a summary of your research or a new approach you developed. Conclusions are the most important part of your article. Pay close attention to detail, all numbers must converge and all suggestions must be substantiated. Thanks for watching.